नटखट था, बड़े कमाल।
He was Ladla of everybody.
3 साल में उसने 11 जाट को हिला दिया, कितना प्यार से। 27 आवर्स उसने फायरिंग की है।
मणिपुर में आज सेना के काफिले पर हुआ हमला।
3 दिन खाना नहीं बना था 11 जाट में।
I think very, very lucky people get that sort of death. Everybody has to die. Everybody has to die. But this sort of a death, I think very lucky people get it.
अमर ज्योति में समीर का नाम लिखा है, शहीद समीर सर, कैप्टन बाग। जितने भी थे लेकिन कहते देख माँ, मैंने कहा क्या देखूं, तूने कैसा हीरा पैदा किया। बच्चा अभी दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी लेकिन तेरा समीर खत्म नहीं होगा। 22 साल हो गए।
Everything about him was big. Large body, large heart.
बड़ा ब्रिलियंट था, डांस करना, म्यूजिक करना, हर तरह से।
Being raised in a joint family of 32 and being youngest, I think he had all the privileges a young kid gets. Why did he join the army? Dad wanted one of his sons to go. So I didn't go, so he opted for army.
भिखारी कोई आता था तो कहते तुम्हें पैसा नहीं दूंगी, क्या खाना है बोल, चल खाना खा ले, पेट भर के खा ले।
I remember I was working abroad and I came back and he said, Bhaiya, do you have $1,000? I said, yeah, I what do you want for? I had nothing, I said, dona. So I gave and I turned back and saw, we were in Sadar Bazaar, I remember, and all the laborers there, he invited them and said, okay, khao, khana, no problems, I'll pay for it.
हमें यकीन ही नहीं हुआ कि ये एनडीए में पास हो गया। यकीन नहीं, दो दफ़े तो इसने मेरिट लिस्ट में आए नहीं, और तीसरी दफ़े आया तो खुद को भी नहीं हुआ। 92 वेज था उसका। जब मेडिकल फिट हुआ तो 3 महीने का उसको दिया, अनफिट हो गया था मेडिकल में। 35 किलो मजाक नहीं, 1 महीने में वेट उतारना, 35 kg, और प्योर वेजिटेरियन, बस खाली पराठी खाता था बस, और कुछ।
One of his idea was that if he lives and he would start a academy, a orphanage, where people would be trained, and as a young kid, he would like to send them to Science School and military school. And he used to always say, imagine, Bhaiya, if 10 of the kids who became officer wrote their father's name as Sameer Bhan and the address of that academy, I think my life would be great. He was a very, very strong advocate of that, like in Singapore and other things, army training for the youth should be compulsory. 5 years of everybody, whether it's Israel, Singapore, the army training should be compulsory so that they understand the value of freedom. After Kargil, he went to Manipur where this thing happened and he died in an IED blast.
जमीन पे लगाया था, मेजर कर्नल की गाड़ी चली गई, मेजर की गाड़ी चली गई, इसकी गाड़ी जाने से बम ब्लास्ट हो गया।
The whole convoy was targeted and injuring plenty, but fatally killing Sameer was 28th February 2002.
मैं आज पता नहीं थी जिस समय उसकी डेथ हुई है, ताता लगा था। 31 अक्टूबर को शादी हुई थी, 20 फरवरी को गुजर गया। देखिए मरना तो सबको ही है, लेकिन ये 3 महीने की शादी में बच्चे के साथ ऐसा होना ना। भान साहब उसके बाद जब समीर की डेथ हुई ना, फिर वो बोले नहीं, ऐसे बैठते थे दीवान पे, बोले नहीं, नीचे नहीं उतरे।
I still remember his dialogue that हमें करण होना चाहिए हमारी फैमिली में, अर्जुन होना चाहिए. So that if everybody thinks of that somebody else will do it, then who will do it? Blessed to have such a coach. I don't know how to put it this way in book. The number of shaheeds coming from this batch events. Being a blessed group, I think I can proudly say that I lost my younger brother, but I gained 50 more younger brothers. So the way 101 treats the course mate family is fabulous.